Here recently, a few emails have been sent out from YT support. People thinking it's from YouTube. This is a scam. It is not from YouTube. What they're trying to do is get your password and user ID and probably log on to your account and do a lot of spamming or even delete your whole account. But I'm going to show you what this email looks like. It says, hi Weldon and stuff. We've received some reports on your channel that contain spam videos, but do not worry. An email will be sent to you after the team review your channel. The questionnaire must be filled out and blah, 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 and so on. But do not send any information about your channel to these people. As you can see, they're asking for your URL and copyright complaint and your password. Do not send it. A few people have did this and their emails or YouTube channels have been completely deleted. So I'm going to click on it and show you where it's from. It says YT-controlleroutlook.com. If you receive something from Google, it'll say google.com. So this is a scam email. So do not send no information out to these people. Thank you and have a great day.